Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is Mastering Excel Subtotals and Grouping. Excel Subtotals and Grouping feature can help you quickly summarize and organize large amounts of data. Here are some tips for mastering these features. So let's open up Excel, and as you can see here, we have already readily data for this tutorial. Sort your data. Before you start using subtotals and grouping, make sure your data is sorted correctly. You can sort your data by selecting a column by clicking on the Sort A to Z or Z to A button. It's also found here in the Data tab. Use subtotals. Subtotals allow you to automatically calculate and display summary data for each group in this. To add subtotals, select the column you want to group by, then go to Function and select Subtotal. Subtotals allow you to automatically calculate and display summary of data for each group in a list. To add subtotal, select the column you want to group by, then go to Data, then select Subtotal. Choose the column you want to subtotal the function you want to use, and the column where you want that subtotal appear. Collapse and expand groups. You can collapse and expand group to make it easier navigate through large amount of data. To collapse a group, click the minus sign next to the group set heading. To expand the group, click the plus sign. Use grouping. Grouping is similar to subtotals, but it allows you to group data by date or time intervals. To group data, select the column with dates and go to Data, and select Group. Excel will create a new column with the group data. Use outline labels. Outline labels allow you to control which group are collapsed or expanded when you click the minus and plus sign. So, by using subtotals and grouping, you can quickly analyze and summarize large amount of data in Excel. So, that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!